Transform your creative vision into a captivating online presence that lands you those dream opportunities. In just 15 minutes, we'll unlock the secrets to building a professional Squarespace portfolio that truly shines. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you're starting fresh, choose a template that resonates with your aesthetic circumflex euros. Think clean lines, ample white space, and a focus on imagery. Many templates are designed with portfolios in mind. Navigate to your site's Pages menu. This is where we'll build the structure for your portfolio. We recommend creating a dedicated portfolio page. Click the plus icon to add a new page and select Portfolio from the layout options. Squarespace offers various portfolio styles. Experiment to see which best showcases your work. Now let's add your projects. Within your portfolio page, you'll see an Add block option. Click this to start adding individual project entries. Squarespace empowers you with versatile blocks. For individual projects, you can use gallery blocks to display multiple images or image blocks for single, impactful visuals. Upload your best work. Drag and drop your creative pieces into the gallery. You can reorder them by simply clicking and dragging, ensuring a logical flow. For each project, don't forget to add a compelling title and a concise description. Briefly explain the concept, your role, and any key details that provide context for your work. Explore the settings for your portfolio page. Here, you can fine-tune the display, adjust thumbnail sizes, choose between grid or masonry layouts, and control how visitors navigate through your projects. Consistency is key. Visit the Design menu to select fonts and a color palette that complements your brand and your artwork for a cohesive look. To attract more eyes, optimize your portfolio for search engines. In the page settings, under SEO, add relevant keywords that describe your work and your niche. Finally, hit Save and Publish. You now have a stunning, professional Squarespace portfolio ready to impress clients and open doors to new opportunities.